Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread flapjacks. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your workspace. We'll explore how to combine the distinct flavors of cornbread with the fluffy texture of a pancake. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a delicious and satisfying breakfast. Get ready to enjoy a unique and comforting meal that's perfect for any morning. Now let's get that batter ready. Start by combining all your dry ingredients in one bowl, making sure they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients until smooth. Then, carefully pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring just enough to combine. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and helps keep your flapjacks wonderfully tender. It's time to cook. Heat your griddle to a medium temperature. A good test is when a drop of water sizzles. Lightly grease the surface, then pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each flapjack. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface, which indicates it's time to flip. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious cornbread flapjacks are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. A classic choice is a generous pat of butter and a pour of rich maple syrup. For something different, consider fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. If you're feeling adventurous, they pair surprisingly well with savory options like a spoonful of chili or crispy bacon. Enjoy your unique and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.